I found the secret to crack the IELTS exam. Do you want to know? So, what is this IELTS exam and why people take it? It's an English proficiency test which a non-English speaker give in order to work or study in a native English-speaking country. So, back in days, 2011 में मैंने first अपना IELTS exam दिया था because I was applying PR for Australia, and I did 3 attempts. I needed 8 in all the 4 elements. So, मेरा क्या था? First में writing was the main thing, जिसपे मुझे 7.5 मिले थे. And speaking was another thing in my second attempt, जहाँ पे मुझे 7.5 मिले थे. So it's just like I was lacking with 0.5 every time. So I was thinking, मैं ऐसा क्या कर सकता हूँ अपने third attempt में जिससे मुझे चारों में 8 मिल जाए या minimum 8. And I clicked with an idea with 2 things which I'll tell you now. But the main thing is practice. Practice makes a man perfect. So let's jump into this. First thing was, I was in Delhi, and luckily, Delhi NCR में ही सारे international call centers थे, being it Genpact or Converges or American Express. And you'll be surprised to know, I started applying jobs there, calling process के लिए, just to have a practice. मेरी इतनी practice हुई while giving that interview because of the process was same, more or less. And I got selected in 3 companies. मेरा confidence level बहुत high था that, oh man, I think I can do it now. But I also got busted. One of the HR called me. Paras, तेरा CV तो मुझे monster.com पे as an IT professional मिला है. तू क्या कर रहा है ये? I just gave an excuse कि I lost my job, तो financial support के लिए whatever I could do, I'm just applying there. But my friends, the point is practice. Practice makes everything perfect and confidence boosts as well. Okay, let's jump to the second point. Back in days, I was working with a company called Syria. Now it's called Sopra Syria. So Noida में है, I think sector 135 में. And my girlfriend was in the same company in the calling process. She was in the BP of that, I was in the IT of that. So I started to practice with her. मैं रोज कैब में आधा घंटा उसके साथ English में बात करता था, and then she used to ask me about, you know, that essay writing and all these things. That is also second thing I started to do, practice a lot, and that is how these 2 things helped me cracking 8 in IELTS exam on the 3rd attempt, and everything was 8. And I think reading or listening I got 9. But another thing is, another tip, one of the final tip is that I was in India, but if you're overseas, अगर तुम overseas हो, the best thing is live with those people who are non-Indians or non-Hindi speakers or non-native Indians, whatever is your language. Live with those guys. They will force you to talk in English, understand them, and you will have a better hold of it. These are the things. If you also pass your IELTS exam in some unusual way or some other tricks, would love to know about that. So comment below and share your experience so we all can read and learn from it. Until next time, see you.